Hey everyone, Sonic Galaxy here. I know some of you don't know how to Sprite, but I will show you how. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you got to do is open up Google Images or Sprite Resources or DeviantArt and type in Sonic Sprites. If you can't find the site, then look it up on your internet. Once you see them, click on them. But it has to be a Sonic Advanced style, if you guys want. I'm not forcing you. Okay. After that, you will see Sonic characters down below, and you can choose any Sonic characters you want and make them as your fan character. Yeah, everyone makes Sonic fan characters nowadays, because everyone is crazy for Sonic. So, yeah. Anyway, if you see Sonic sprites, double click and you will get them up close. After that, click the right button on your mouse pad and you will see Save as Picture. Once you see it, click on it. Once that's done, open up Paint on your computer. After that, open up Folder and you will see Sonic sprites that you save in your files. After that, drag Sonic sprites in to Paint and it will be there. Trust me. Once that's done, edit your fan character and color your fan character, guys. You can color your character and make it as your own. With body parts and stuff, you can color your character eyes and shoes if you want. After that, you can name your character anything you want on that sprite sheet. Once you're done making your character on Paint, go to the folder on the top right corner and you will see Save As. Once that's done, you can name the character sheet whatever you want. Once that's finished, save it somewhere. Make a new folder and save your sprite sheets in that folder so you won't lose track of it. I said that because I don't want you guys and my friends to have trouble looking for that character sheets in any folders. So, yeah. Well, let's cover up everything. I'm gonna tell you guys how to get backgrounds, the internet. The first thing you got to do is go to Google Images and type in any backgrounds you want like house, park, store, beach, and more. Once you double click on it, it will view it close to you. Save the image in the folder and you will have the backgrounds you already saved. Yeah, that's how it's done. Okay. Well, that's enough of that. I will tell you guys how to get Speakonia. The first thing you got to do is type in Speakonia download and it will show you the site on how to download it. Don't worry, it's free. Once you download Speakonia, save it as folder. Once that's done, install the program. Once that's finished, test it out and you will see what you think of it. Well, that's all everyone. If you need any help, let me know and I will help you guys. Okay. See you guys later.